All right, let's do a sound check.
Yeah. Check one, check one.
I'm Cash.
Johnny Cash?
More like Roseanne.
Looks like she's working.
Check.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, and all I hear is static, man. I can't do this, guys. It's all just static. It hurts my ears.
All right. I guess we're slowing down because someone needs gas. That's all right. I'll be filling up probably in Sharbot Lake before we go north.
Well, see, I could make it to Sharbot Lake, but I want to burn some off before we do the other shit after Sharbot Lake. You ever turn right here?
Yeah.
On the map, it looks like a road.
It does.
Actually, it'd probably be good on one of these bikes, but
it's got to be like a right-of-way or whatever they are. Ernie, is there a car behind you?
Yeah, he turned out behind that truck.
Yep, but he's a ways back.
Okay. I got us going left here.
I have us going right. Yeah, McLean Road.
McLeod, yeah. He wants to turn around.
What the f*** is he doing?
Trying to buy a bike.
How far are you showing the McLean Road?
About 2 kilometers.
Okay. Oh yeah, there it is. On the map.
Car coming.
Okay. I have us going left here.
See, I got us going right and then left on Long Lake Road.
Well, this is Long Lake Road, isn't it? Yeah.
And then left on Frontenac Road.
So I have us left here, and then...
Sorry. You're right. This is long. I got right and then a left. Or staying on Long Lake and then making a left on Thompson. No. No.
What the f*** is he doing?
No. Oh, he's going back because he's got a checkpoint back here that he missed.
So this shows we're going to go down the Babcock Road.
Yeah,
we're going to come back out on the Long Lake, turn left.
Yes. Exactly.
And come back the way we came.
That's all part of the adventure.
Nice little road, though.
Yeah, this is neat. It's a left.
You ever feel like we're just going in circles?
He's laughing. I think he knows. Oh, we got a bit of a water crossing situation here. I should just blast them. Woo, nice and dark in here. Duncan Lane. Big truck coming.
With a load of campwood.
Yeah. Ooh, he's swaying good.
Yeah. I was waiting for a log to come flying off the top at me.
Yeah. That would be adventurous.
Yeah.
Ooh, they're busy at the Cardinal today. We'll have to eat at the picnic table today, boys.
You're kind of on a little rock there.
Yeah. That's all right. All right, coffee time.
Oh.
Goodbye.